Good morning, children. This is exercise number 3.4 from first problem. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, then the fraction becomes 1. If it becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? Here two are there, numerator and denominator. So here we have taken numerator as x, n means numerator x, and denominator as y. Then fraction will be x upon y, numerator and this is numerator and denominator. If 1 is added to numerator, the numerator becomes x plus 1. Already numerator is x. If 1 is added, it becomes x plus 1. If 1 is subtracted from denominator, denominator is y. If 1 is subtracted, it becomes y minus 1. So, original fraction is x upon y. This is x. But because of adding 1 to numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator, there is a change in the fraction. What is that change? The fraction becomes 1. Okay, 1 means we will be taking here 1 upon 1. So, this is the numerator and this is the denominator is equal to 1 upon 1, cross multiplication. 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 1. So, 1 into any number will be 1. Now, bring variables to one side. X, if this plus 1 plus y, if you take it here, it becomes minus 1. In the same way, this minus 1 when we take to this side, minus 1. So, x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is our first equation. Okay, second statement, if 1 is added to only denominator, in numerator no change, this is the original fraction. If 1 is added to denominator, the fraction will be what? X upon y plus 1. The fraction becomes 1 upon 2. Because of change in the original fraction is x upon y. So, because of adding only, in the previous case, 1 is added to numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator. Here 1 is added to the numerator, numerator is as it is, and 1 is subtracted from, 1 is added to the denominator. Then the fraction becomes 1 upon 2. So, here also cross multiplication, 2 into x. So, 2 into x is equal to 1 into y plus 1, 2x is equal to y plus 1. Now, this plus 1 will be taking this side minus plus y we will be taking minus 1 is equal to 1. This is the second equation. Okay, now first equation and second equation. Here already both minus signs are there. Y coefficients are equal. We need not multiply, just to have changed the sign. This become plus, here nothing is there, plus minus, and here plus is there, minus. So, y is cancelled. Now, if you take this 2, here nothing is there, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Bigger number sign is minus. Minus 3, x is equal to 3. Because both the sides minus sign is there. Now, substituting the value of x in equation, either 1 or 2 you can take. This is the first equation. So, if we substitute the value of 3, x is 3 minus y minus 2, y is equal to 3. Okay, now this is the first problem. Second problem is, 5 years ago Noori was thrice the old as Sonu. Here 2 are there. So, we will be taking, let the age of Noori is x years. Now, let the age of Sonu, second person is Sonu, y years. 5 years ago, let the age of means this is the present age. Present age of Noori. In the same way here also, present age of Sonu. 5 years ago. Now, present age of Sonu is x. Okay. X 5 years ago. 5 years ago. नूरू इज अभी आप 14 ईयर्स है, 5 ईयर्स बैक 9. ऐसे अभी नूरू का एज x है, 5 ईयर्स बैक x minus 5. The same way 5 years ago 5 years ago Sonu is y minus 5. So what is the relation? 5 years ago Nuru was means Nuru's age 5 years ago. X minus 5 is equal to 3 times the Sonu. What is the Sonu's age? Y minus 5. So from this we will be getting x minus y, 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 15, 15. Now bring x to minus to this side, y to this side, माइनस हो जाएगी. ऑलरेडी जो इज इक्वल टू के बाद उसको ऐसे रखो, -15, दिस -y when it goes to, so x minus 3y is equal to -10. This is the first equation. Okay, now next what is 10 years later. So that means after 10 years we have to take 10 years later. 10 years later, later means after 10 years Nuru's age, present age is x, after 10 years x plus 10. So after 10 years, in the same way Sonu's age is y plus 10. What is the relation? After 10 years, 10 years later Nuru's age is x plus 10. Nuru will be means x plus 10 is equal to twice as old as, 2 times Sonu's age. Twice as old as means 2 times the Nuru's age. देखो 10 years ago, 10 years later Nuru is 2 times means 2 into y plus 10. So x plus 10 is equal to 2 into y, 2y, 20. Now bring y to this side. So x plus y will be minus 20 plus 10 will be minus 10. So x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is the second equation. Now what was our first equation? First equation was x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, and second equation 2y is equal to 10. Okay, now this is plus sign here. So we need not, already here coefficients are equal 1 and 1. Just we have to change the sign. Now this plus will become minus, this minus will become plus. Here nothing is there, plus, minus. Now directly it will be cancelled. So now these are two opposite signs. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1y. Greater number is 3. Minus sign is equal to, both are minus signs, we have to add. After changing the sign, its sign is not 10. Okay, now both the sides minus sign is there, y is equal to 20. So who is y? Y is Sonu. So Sonu's age is 20. Now we need the age of the Nuri. Okay, Nuri का एज कैसे आएगी? Substituting value of y in equation 1. What is equation 1? x minus equation 2 ले लेंगे. 2y is equal to 10. So x minus 2y is equal to 10. X minus 2 into 20 is equal to 10. X minus 40 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 plus 40. X is equal to 50. So whose age? Therefore Nuri's present age is equal to x लिए हम लोग 50 and Sonu's present age is y is equal to 20. Okay, so हम लोग वेरिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं. Okay, present age of Nuru is 50. Okay, 5 years ago he is 45, is equal to 3 times the 5 years ago Nuru's age is 5 years ago Nuru was thrice the Nuru was thrice the 50. Okay. 10 years later. 10 years later means present age is 50. 10 years later her age will be 60. Okay, 10 years later Noori's age is equal to twice the Sonu's age. Sonu's present age is equal to 20. 20 plus 10, 2 into 30. 2 into 30 is equal to 60. Okay, in the same way, 5 years ago Noori is 550 minus 545. Okay, this is Sonu's age. What said 3 times the 5 years ago? 5 abhi present age is 20. 5 years ago Noori's age will be y minus 5. So 3 into 20 minus 5, 3 into 50 is equal to 45 is equal to 45. This for only explanation. This is called verification. Okay, 2 problems I have done. Next I will send.